The best thing about National Homemade Bread Day might be the way it incorporates all your senses, the sweet, roasty comfort smell that lingers in the kitchen, the sight of steam rising from the top of the loaf, the warmth in your mouth, the taste of home when you take a bite, and the seemingly automaticum that comes while you chew. Get baking November 17th to celebrate and break bread with your friends and family. On November 17th, homes will fill with warm, comforting aromas reminding us to slow down and enjoy National Homemade Bread Day. Yeast bread calls for us to slow down. We need to spend time with each other as we work the dough and let it rest and rise before baking. Quick breads allow a special treat to share and enjoy with coffee or tea. Other homemade breads, such as donuts, pretzels, muffins, and biscuits, add variety to our everyday meals. And making them with friends and family brings joy and an opportunity to exchange recipes. Those who make homemade bread commit to using good ingredients and investing in the time. They make it not only because they love the flavor, but because they know the people they love to do also. Homemade bread enriches the flavors of our meals and the flavors of our conversations, too. Bread is full of symbolism around the world, across cultures and religions. In our lives, bread is valuable. We consider our livelihood to be our daily bread. We are making it, breaking it, consuming it as part of our faith. Bread can be exciting if it's sliced or boring if it's white. There's a bonus bread, too. However, it seems a bit messy if it's buttered on both sides. Then again, when we roll in the dough, it's messy, too. Bake it, and it becomes heavy bread, but it means the same thing. Take out your recipe box and get to baking. Or find a few new recipes like the ones below. It's the best thing since sliced bread. When you make bread, don't forget to use some for homemade croutons, too. We have 7 great ways to use croutons besides on a salad. The National Homemade Bread Committee from Ann Arbor, Michigan, founded National Homemade Bread Day to encourage families to enjoy making homemade bread. The day has been celebrated since the early 1980s. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.